What was that? I hear it, but where's it at? There's the sun that God created. God created the sun and everything. He spoke it all here. He spoke the moon and everything. I remember this mix. It's definitely mixed. I hope I remember how to do it. It's kind of hard to do. I think I goofed because it doesn't quite look right. There. I had to do it a different way, but I got it done. Well, I got it half done. There. Try it again. Oh. Try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Show it mixed. And then go. It's really hard to do, but I'm going to try to do it. Yeah, I did it. Thanks to YouTube channel at Cube Root. He showed another way to do it. Eddie Back Shorts is also a good YouTube channel to learn how to do trick solves on YouTube. And SK Magic also. Yep, everybody's posting YouTube videos and Facebook videos, and even commented about him making the moon disappear February 2024, and as the months ahead, he was playing more about it. It's Andre Cole's 7 Ways to Make the Moon Disappear, and he's excited that David's going to breathe life into the illusion and make it reality. It's been 30 or 40 years in the making. There's going to be a lot of lighting, black art lighting, dead black against dead black as absent as shadow, with a purple light, a black light, a lot of bright lights to night blind the audience, and either raise the platform higher up, some meets the right like Franz Ferrari, or use a Lady Susan turntable with silent ball bearings, or a combination of both, or use Guy Kramer's Hyperstealth Corpse, metamaterials, nanobots, material that bends light around an object. In this case, you could do the Statue of Liberty or the moon, or you could use 3D cloaking, a combination of 3D cloaking with Guy Kramer's bending light and visibility nanobots, or a glass that bends light around an object, or as Bob Scofield says, use miniature LED video monitor screens that reflect behind and below but hides the spacecraft apply that to the moon. Tommy Story's idea to take a satellite in space and beam a black laser over the moon. There's a lot of ways. Just use your imagination. But Andre Cole thought of 7 ways, and Copperfield and his losing crew using those many 7 ways, and it's working well.